Next up on live break, guys, is George S. Going to be doing 3 boxes of 2015 Topps Finest Baseball. George, appreciate the order. Good luck. Let's see what we get for you. There we go. All right, Sabathia, Kershaw. Oh, nice one off the bat. Johnny Bench, Finest Greats, numbered to 50. Sweet. Right off the bat. Right, Marte, Freeman, Liriano, and Hamels. Longoria, Harper. Finest First, Rusney Castillo. Crawford and Ellsbury. Norris, Tuivala. Refractor Generations, Mariano Rivera. Number 25, Paul Goldschmidt and Jonathan Lucroy. Sounds good, Brad. I'll get it broken right after this one for you. Corsino, Polanco, Finest Jose Bautista, Hughes and Scherzer. Wong, Sale, Finest Tanaka. We got a green auto, Julio Teheran, number to 99. And Hernandez. Next up, Simmons, Stanton, Crawford, Donaldson, and Renato. Altuve, Carew, Ventura, Kluber, and Cespedes. Votto, Machado, Corsino, green Corsino out of 99. And Yelich. Pujols, Bumgarner, Finest Pujols, Tanaka, and Panic. Andrus, Trout, purple, George Springer to 250. Bautista and Peterson. You're fine. Soler, Fultanowicz, Pedroia, Lamb, and May. I'll do it for box 1. Slide these out of the way. On to number 2. There we go. Walker, Escobar, Trevor May, number to 99, green. Gonzalez and Verlander. Carpenter, Vargas, Morgan, Finnegan, and Ortiz. Cruz, Seaver, got a purple Corey Kluber, number to 250. Darvish and Seager. Strasburg, Franco, Fultanowicz, Kemp, and Herrera. Hosmer, Tulowitzki, Hamels, Trout, and Gray. Uhara, Turan, Finest, Clayton Kershaw, Corey Spangenberg, Michael Taylor. Sabathia, Kershaw, Finest, Jose Bautista. Next up, we have Xavier Scruggs on the auto. Stanton up next. Altuve, Jeter, Kluber, Brantley, and Ventura. Andrus, Soler, Banks, Perez, and Farmer. Fultanowicz, Pujols, Peralta, number /50, Daniel Corsino, Mauer, Votto, Machado, Renato, Wheeler, and Posey. Last pack of box number 2, we have Pujols, Bumgarner, Finest First, Anthony Renato, Rendon, and Barnes. Alright, so let me slide these out of the way. Got one left on the Finest. That one. And there's that one. All right, starting it off. Polanco, Sabathia, first auto up, Buck Farmer, Cabrera, and Stanton. Kershaw, Eckersley, Phillips, Brantley, and Ventura. Bumgarner, Beltre, purple, Elvis Andrus, the /250, Perez, and Farmer. Andrus, Soler, Barnes, Green, Adam Jones, the /99, Joe Mauer. Altuve, Votto, Kluber, Wheeler, and Posey. Machado, Pujols, Freeman, Rendon, and Barnes. Utley, Wong, Bumgarner. Got a Finest First, number /99, 99 of 99, Dalton Pompey. And Yelich behind that. Sale, Koufax, Marte, Tanaka, and Panic. Marte, Longoria, Finest First, Jock Peterson, Lamb, and May. Next up, Simmons, Wright, Abreu, Bautista, and Peterson. And 2 cards left. I'm sorry, 2 packs left. 2 Valana, Corsino, Finest Stanton, Uhara, and Puig. And final one up, we have Harper, Norris, Carlton, Harrison, and Reddick. All right, George, that will do it for you. Again, appreciate the order, and we'll get these out the door for you.